Here's the app called Mozart AI Song Generator, Music Maker, Lyric Singer. Experience the power of artificial intelligence in song creation and music making. Introducing Mozart AI, a cutting-edge app that uses advanced AI technology to transform your photos into unique songs. Whether you are an aspiring artist, seasoned musician, or simply curious about the blend of art and technology, Mozart AI offers an experience like no other. Create musical masterpieces effortlessly. Let your creativity take lead with Mozart AI to discover endless possibilities for creating songs and lyrics. Whether into pop, Mozart AI turns your photos into audio masterpieces. So pretty cool. You can transform your images into songs, image to music, lyric generator, AI art. Upload your photo, choose your preferred genre style, and tap create. So it's quite neat idea where you just create songs from images. Let's check it out. So here you have it, and then yeah, you can see 1 year $50, lifetime 70, 1 week 7. You can claim rewards as a welcome bonus. You can inspire you, so it just generates the image, and then you can start creating music from an image, or you can just enter a song and then just describe the song from that. But actually, I can upload the photo. So let's, for example, upload some like landscape photo in here, and then to create music you need to watch an ad. Then you can just select style, genre, you can select, and then pick your vocal. So pick male or female or custom voice. You can also add your custom voice. You can add languages.
Okay, the very last thing we need to do before we start playing.
So yeah, so now you can start generating. So it was like 3 ads, so it's quite long. So there you have it. And then it just takes 1-2 minutes to create it. But on the other hand, yeah, it's free to do it. So yeah. So yeah, now it created the song, and then
Leaves rustle in the red and true. Tender hold where worries melt like mist.
and then you can also read the lyrics. So that's the idea. So yeah, kind of you can have fun with this app for sure. And so yeah, here you have it. And yeah, so you can change vocal, you can regenerate, you can creation certificate. To set it in the ringtone or to download it, you need to upgrade. So that's basically the idea. Then you also have studio, then you can explore other people's creations. And so yeah, that's what it is.